safe. Let's get on with this one here. Another abortion. There's no room for the screw to go in. There's drywall mud in the way. It's that simple. Guess it was a little too much of a challenge, so I just gave up on it. Boxes that got the cake frosting all around it. It's gonna have a bunch of cabinets that cover all that crap up, so yeah. It was that easy. Now that we know our switch plate fits perfect, we can take that back off. I'm going to do what we did in the other room, but just not as extreme. This little corner, I'm gonna fill it with mud. And basically, that'll keep us from having to have a bunch of wood trim around that. And that'll stiffen it up. Let it dry overnight and then come back and do the sides. That's the mud that's towards the end of the bottom of the bucket. First coat. Should be enough to get the first coat on, right? Don't pull too hard on the paper corner, because I was going to crush it. Gotta wait for it to set up. I don't know why somebody painted this, but yourself a mark, put an X on the piece you want to cut off. This thing will shoot up on the ends. Cut that shoot up part off the end. I'm gonna use this piece here. Got a big knot for character. Perfect. Another trimmed out door. That's the last one. I'm gonna do a little baseboard in here. I think I have an idea what I'm gonna do. Because I got some wood. I think I'm gonna rip these down in half. If I got enough of them, I might just put them up the way they are. Yeah, could be worse. I don't know if I have enough of them. See, all right, we're getting all homestead. Got a bunch of old wood there. We use that for a baseboard. And that is how you use homesteaded wood. Today's baseboard prices, I probably just saved about 40 bucks. All right, they're all screwed down. Looking good. Well, that's about as good as it can look. Not too bad, brother. We found some gray wood to make the baseboards out of. Never know what you can't do with the stuff laying around the farm.